Hello, hello, it's Melissa and I'm back and I'm coming to you from a heat wave. We've had really hot temperatures for probably a couple of weeks now. It's summer and it's the middle of summer and it's been in the early 30s, but it's humid as well, which is unusual for here. And basically it's a heat wave coming off Australia and it's school holidays. We are in week 6.5. There is 1 week to go. There hasn't been much creative time for me. Well, there has at night, but there has not been much time to make videos, but I'm hoping that will all change when things get back to normal. So what I have today is the latest kit from the Scrappery. It's called Willow, and it features the Good Vibes collection by Scrappery. So this is the main kit, which is the TSK. So I'll go through the papers. This excuse me. This one is called Flourish, and it's like a botanical on a grid. So there's a faint pink grid, really pretty. Take them like this. And that is the B-side. This one is called You Rock, beautiful, black and white. And that's really fun. It's like butterfly wings. I think I've seen someone use it like that. Some cacti on Fresh, and that is the B-side. This one is called All Good. It's beautiful birds and florals, and then a craft one. This one is called Girls Night, and then we've got like a word find on the back. This one is called Life Goals, probably quite appropriate for January. That's the B-side. This little sweet one is called Perfection, and that's lovely, isn't it? You can cut that apart for journaling. This one is called Magic, so it's a hexagon on cork. I love that side. This one is called Passion, and beautiful navy spots. And the final one is called Hashtag, and then you get this awesome string pattern. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 papers. So that's the B side. I'll flip it over to the A side. So you can see quite full on this side, and definitely if I show you again, toned down. So lots of options there. What shall I do? Put them up like that, and I will now show you the embellishments. So the alpha you get is called Together, thick as it's gold with fine glitter. You get a full pack of the ephemera. I'm not going to take them out because that'll just make this video too long, but you can see it there. So I love crepe paper ephemera, lots of options, and I love the way they have them packaged. And these I'm so excited to get. They are the frames. You get 4 frames with pom-pom trim. They're absolutely beautiful. Definitely going to use them. I usually struggle with frames, but I'm going to make sure I don't with those. You get the pack of 8 charms, which are really sweet. So I'll hold them up so you can see. It's going to be fun. You get some gemstones from Couture Creations, always a great addition. And then Renelle has laminated a piece of paper, and then you get 4 washi tapes. So you've got that one, gold one, a cork one, and that one. I think they actually must go with the collection. And then as always you get a pretty little pieces pack, which has got sequins that match. This one's got a gold doily, I think it's a rose, is it a cabochon, is that what they're called, the plastic ones, flowers, a bow, and a little tag. So I'm not going to open that either. So that is what you get in the main kit. And now I will show you the pretty little kit, or pocket life kit, or project life kit, whatever you want to call it. Okay, so we'll start with the papers. You get this beautiful ampersand cut apart sheet. Put that one out of the way. Oh my gosh, I'm going to really struggle with this, guys. I'll probably have to use this. It's just beautiful. But that's beautiful as well. And then you get this cut apart with some tags, so you can punch the holes out and add twine. Beautiful. And that's the B side, which is lovely as well. Okay, then you get another gold alpha. This, yeah, it's Dear Lizzie, isn't it? It looks like a Dear Lizzie. So that's another gold fine glitter one. You get the sticker sheet from the Good Vibes collection, just gorgeous. You get the Good Vibes stamp set, so that's really fun. I think I'm going to find it easy to use this, just lots of good words and phrases. You get another card of washi, so you've got cacti, pink, and that one there. So definitely from the collection. These are the cards, 4x6 and 3x4. Renelle makes these up, and so they'll be cut apart from the papers. So a couple of those ones. So they, yeah, as you can see, these are all from the papers from the collection. But it's handy to have someone else's cut them for you, and then you can just slip them into your pockets. So I think this time I'm going to try and make some pocket pages for you. Often, and if you get this kit, you can actually get this as an embellishment add-on. Well, I would, if you're not going to get the what's it called, bits and pieces kit. You could get this as an embellishment kit and use them for layering pieces, and then you get another pretty little pieces, and my one has again sequins, a gold doily, a black tag. I'm just trying to see what's on there. I'll have a look. I think large gold circular pieces. See what's under there. It's intriguing me because it feels like something. Okay, so it's a plastic bow piece. Oh, look at that, it's glittery, beautiful. So you get that. So I'll move that out of the way, and I mix my kits all up. I don't separate them out because I don't do separate project life. So now onto the bits and pieces kit, which is the embellishment kit. And I'm excited to see another pack of frames. So you get another alpha, Fitzgerald, in like a greeny tealy colour. That's lovely. I'll show you the other side of that. You get the stickers. Now these are quite, what are they? Like a puffy sticker. Yeah. Get those. Sorry. You get another pack of the frames, which is awesome. And you get another pack of the ephemera. So if you're getting these two kits, I mean, you can layer up some of these. There's definitely, you can get them all used up. And then, of course, you get another pretty little pieces. This one has another gold doily, flower tags, what you call that, circular raised glittery element. Right, so I'll keep that there, and then I have got the colour kit. So you get a Prima clear stamp, some Texture Luxe in gold, so that's a metallic texture paste. Perfect pearls, from which I have no idea how to use, so I'm going to have to Google or YouTube that. And another stencil, abstract triangle from Kaisercraft. So that is the kit. I'm really excited about using it. I'll definitely have videos up on my channel and also on the Scrappery, so be on the lookout for that, and I'll be hopefully back again with you really soon.